Very good morning to you all. Well, I am Rajneesh. Today I have been assigned a important topic, that is a scheme of the equality. It is well assigned in your COI, means Constitution of Indian syllabus, especially for the fifth semester CSCS student. Here, before entering in this chapter, we must understand what the equality is. As you know, in the Hindi sense of the equality, samanta, equal. But it seems a very soothing and very comfortable word, equality. But technically and the biologically, if you will think, there is a no two thing in a world that is completely alike. So, when there is a no two things in the world, in the living world that is completely alike, it simply suggests that each and every living thing in this world having a very distinct DNA, means each and every one is very identical. When the each and every one is the very identical, it means that there is a difference in the each and every one. And when there is a difference by birth, it becomes too difficult for the polity and for the political science to measure up really what actually the difference among them. Basically, this word, if you will listen and they realize, it looks very comfortable, very soothing, very simple, very plain, but technically this is a very complex, because the nature, the race, the color, the reason, the religion, the IQ level, the behavior, the mentality, the approach, the thought of the man varies, not place to place, but each and every one having the different DNA. Each and every one differs with the another one having the difference with the third one having the difference with the fourth one. So there is a complete the chain of a difference in a society, you can say in a state, you can say in a country, and even you can say in the global difference. So for the making the function of the polity, it becomes a very important, means technically the equality means all the person of the society should be given the equal opportunity to develop their ability, and special privilege should not be given to any sections, because anyone who is having the birth on this earth, it must having on the some region, and it technically and the biologically belongs to some religion. When he is related to any region or a religion, it means he is the very much identical and very distinct, and having the very certain DNA, and having the different to the different ones. So what we can do, and what the polity of the any country can do, that they can go for the equality. But when there is a no two person that is the completely alike, it means there is a great and the huge difference, and this is the one of the most ticklish problem of the political science, of the polity of the world. Here, if the someone is the enjoying the special privilege and not developing the skill, it means he is simply enjoying the privilege, and really the due one, and the person who is the bona fide is not getting the proper attention by the state. So that is why a word here written that a special privilege should not be given to any section. If you will not give the special privilege but give them the special opportunity, definitely we can attain the real genesis and the real sense of the equality. Equality, in fact, means a condition where the special privileges are abolished and the equal opportunity are provided all for the development. It is better that you do not give the reservation to anyone, but if you can have the capacity and the capability and the resources and the will, that give them the equal opportunity. The equal opportunity, I think, the best and the rational and the logical and the real measurement to for the equality. Actually, our constitution also felt the need of the equality because during the time of the constitutional framer, the Article 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 has been legalized and the constitutionalized. It simply promotes the scheme of the equality. Equality having the five different phases. One is the natural equality. It simply suggests by naturally we cannot discriminate anyone to anyone by class, creed, color, age. Second, that is civil and the legal equality. Even law should not discriminate. Law should be open for the all. Law, if the law will go for the special privilege, it means you are killing the real and the hidden soul of the equality. Then after the social equality, if the someone is of the apartheid, racial problem, and you can say the different caste, different color, these sort of the things should not be promoted. Economical equality. Yes, there is a great economical equality we must maintain, but by nature it is a difficult problem, because if you are skilled, you can have the ability and you earn the ability to eat the cake, and the person who is just nearby you is not skilled and he does not have the capacity to even purchase a bread. It becomes the responsibility for the state or a governor or a country or a family that he must take care of the basic equality system. And the political equality, one should not electorate, and referendum should not be on the basis of the caste, color and the creed. Here I have written the two words, special privilege and the equal opportunity. Very simple, if we will give the special privilege to the deprived one, to the due one, the thing is the all right. But the real filtration and the real skill and the real talent cannot be out there, and this will definitely will dissatisfy the other due one. But if we will measure and the equality with the eyes of the equal opportunity, then the thing will be more better. So, in my opinion, the equal opportunity is the best instrument to bring out, to settle the equality among the peoples. So in the meantime, I am closing my class right now. In the next day, we will discuss about the scheme of the equality in the context of the Indian Constitution. In the meantime, I am taking a goodbye from you. Bye.